Welcome YouTube. Hello. Okay, so I'm doing a review on label, what are they called? On brother labels that I bought on Amazon. So this is my label maker, the P-Touch Brother. Alright, and then this is what I bought. That's how it came. The compatible for brother TP PT1750. It's a 4-pack, 9mm by 8. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So there's 4 in there. That's what it looks like. Okay. My brother opened it from back here. We're just getting straight to it. Okay. None of that run around. This is what mine looks like right here. So it just. Okay, now let's open this one. Let's see. Okay, so let me see here. They're almost identical. Obviously it's not the same brand, but this one seems a little smaller, like right here. See? I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, let's try it on. So this one's gonna go like this. Oh no, maybe we're gonna have an issue here. Oh no, we got it, look. We got it. And then this one's gonna go in here. Got it. Definitely recommend it. Now let's see if it prints. Okay, let's see. Oof. No. Hold on. Having little issues here. Okay, let's put be happy. Be happy and print. Yeah, because I went to Staples Center and Office Depot and just for one was $25. That's insane. This 4-pack was $15.99. But bam, it works good. Now let's see. Let me get some scissors real quick. Oh no, they're just like that one. 1 second. Okay, now let's see how it opens, if it's just like the ones that they sell at Office Depot. Usually it should be able to crack right in the middle, and it does, just like it. Oh yeah, definitely saved what? So for one is 25 times 4, how much is that? I don't know, can't think of the top of my head, but was saving almost like $75. Boom. Look, check this out. Yes, so definitely I'm gonna put the link in the bottom. This is my review with the Amazon printer labels for your brother machine, and it works amazing. They got a 4-pack and got like a 6-pack. Just double check the sizes though, because I thought this one wasn't gonna fit. And what's crazy is when it says it's compatible with, when I was reading, this one wasn't listed. So I took a chance, and God is good. any comments or anything else that I buy from Amazon, I'm gonna be leaving a review on YouTube. So like it and watch it, and follow me on Instagram. You know, follow my braid Instagram, which is Entity Braids. Your girl be braiding hair, so help your girl out. And God bless all of you, and take care, okay? See y'all next time with the next review.